Dominic Regan out of Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. On the line now, the young man, 21 years old. He brings the Creek Heat back. Heartbreaker Chevrolet to the line, and you see his dad out there locking the husband. A father-son pulling team here. The first season pulling campaign by Dominic Regan. Again, 21 years old. I'm not sure if he has a girlfriend here or not, but ladies, this could be one to watch. No, he is single. I stand corrected. The single, Dominic Regan, on the line. I try not to make him too nervous. Eligible ladies. The Heartbreaker 1981 Chevrolet, all the way out of Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Our first official hook. Free all-third pickup.